So these are all the things included in the case study. Now the student is going to discuss about the case study in the topic contract.
Hi, hello friends. I'm student here to have a case study on the brief explanation of the case study of Harriet Jet case, Leonardo and Pepsi company. This case concerns whether a promotional advertisement can create a legal binding contract. PepsiCo ran a promotional campaign allowing customers to redeem Pepsi points for merchandise in TV advertisement. Harriet Jet was humorously shown as redeemable for 7 million points, Pepsi points. John Leonardo attempted to accept this by sending Pepsi required money to obtain the points and demanded delivery of the jet. The main legal question was whether the advertisement accounted to a valid offer capable of acceptance, thereby creating a legal contract.
Court says the court held that no contract was formed for the following reasons. First reason, advertisements are generally invitations to treat, not offers. They invite customers to make offers which the advertiser may accept or may be rejected. Second point, lack of intention to create legal relations. Using an objective test, the court held that no reasonable person would believe Pepsi seriously intended to offer a military jet worth millions in exchange for soda. Humorous and fantastical nature of the act. The jet scene was clearly exaggerated and realistic. Humorous and fantastical nature of the act. The jet scene was clearly exaggerated and unrealistic, distinguishing it from serious commercial promises. The fourth reason, absence of clear and definite terms. The jet was not listed in the official Pepsi catalog, which governed the promotion. The fifth reason, public policy considerations. Allowing enforcement would lead to absurd commercial results.
Hello, Emily. Outcome: Pepsi was not legally. Hello, Emily. Outcome: Pepsi was not legally bound to deliver the jet. She notes claims for specific performance paid.
Hello everyone, I am here to speak about key legal principles. Objectives, intention matters, not subjective belief. Unilateral contracts require a clear promise and serious intent. Promotional language must be interpreted reasonably. Court distinguishes genuine offers, example rewards, from marketing purpose.
Hello everyone, myself Shyam. I am going to speak about the commercial law significance. This case is an important because it shows the court business from the narrative of reinforcing the need for the promotion, especially in the modern commercial and e-commerce settings.
Application of Harriet Jet case under Indian Contract Act 1850. The dispute in Leonardo versus PepsiCo can be analyzed under Indian law by applying the principles of Indian Contract Act, particularly Section 2A, 2B, 10 and 25. Section 2A of Section 2A defines a proposal offer as a significance of willingness to do or abstain from doing something with a view to obtaining the assent of the other party. Under Indian law, advertisements are generally treated as invitations to offer, not offers. The Pepsi advertisement are humorous and promotional, not serious or a significance of willingness to supply a region. The official Pepsi catalog did not include the jet, reinforcing that no proposal was made. Conclusion: there was no valid offer under Section 2A. Section 2B, acceptance. Acceptance requires an absolute and unqualified assent to a valid offer. Since no offer existed, Leonard's act of sending money and demanding the jet cannot amount to valid acceptance. Acceptance must correspond to the terms of the offer, which falls here. Conclusion: no acceptance under Section 2B. Intention to create legal relation. Section 10. Section 10 requires that agreements be made with free consent and lawful, implying an intention to create legal relations. Indian courts apply an objective test whether a reasonable person would believe a legal relationship person would think Pepsi intended to contract for its delivery. Conclusion. No intention to create legal relation, hence no enforceable agreement. Section 25 and Section 2D. Consideration. Consideration must be lawful and real, not usury. Although money was offered, the transaction was commercially absurd. Section 25 renders agreements without lawful consideration void. Conclusion. Even if the consideration appeared to exist in was not illicit or lawful in commercial